Bonjour tout le monde, how are you guys doing today? Today's product I will be featuring this product right here, Maui shampoo and conditioner. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous montrer ces deux produits ici. Ça s'appelle Maui, aussi Maui conditioner avec shampoo. Ce produit ici, j'ai trouvé ça à Kroger, Walmart. I found this product at Kroger and Walmart parce que je vais laver mes cheveux dans cette vidéo aussi. Je voulais utiliser quelque chose de différent. Because I wanted to wash my hair and put it part of the video, I decided to try this product as a What Product Wednesday mixed with What Style Wednesday. So I kind of changed my upload. I think I'm going to start uploading 2 days a week. I don't know. Mais avec ce produit ici, j'ai utilisé ça pour mon première fois. I used this product for my first time and I'm not sure how I feel about it. My hair came out looking really nice, but the thing about this product I've noticed was my hair wasn't really, it felt like the product wasn't really working. Like I had to add so much just for my hair to observe it. Quand j'ai utilisé ce produit ici, j'ai trouvé que mes cheveux, je sais pas si mes cheveux sont linga ki ango ou bien linga ki ango te na yebite, mais et ça là qui n'utilise qui ko ça la te parce que c'est comme si c'est un peu peut-être ça c'était pas entre les mes. Ah, c'était pas un bon produit pour mes cheveux. Je crois pas que je vais utiliser ça encore. I don't think I'm going to use this product again. Just the texture of it was kind of weird. But my hair came out pretty soft though. Mes cheveux, c'était vraiment... C'était bien. C'est sorti bien. This product right here, you guys already seen it. Growth Afro. I'm going to leave the link below so you can purchase you one. Okay, look how it made my hair grow. Sis, ce produit ici, ça m'a fait grandir les cheveux. Oh, tu attends quoi, oh? Hein? Fais vite, achète ça. Now for my hair tie, I'm really ratchet, okay? I use just about anything. So I use my wig cap as my hair tie because I couldn't find a hairband. And you see the product that I'll be using, I got my gang comb. And what I'm going to do is, because my hair is short and it's not long enough for me to connect it together, parce que mes cheveux c'est un peu, c'est pas vraiment long, je vais faire comment on dit ça, mon chignon. Je vais faire ça comme ça. Je vais d'abord commencer avec mes devant, les bossos. Après ça, je vais faire tout ça. Je vais connecter tout. I'm going to start off with the front of my hair and everything I'm doing. Somebody requested this product and I was like, let me see if I can gel my hair down without gel. So what this is it's a curling pudding type of hair curling product. I was going to do the no gel method, slick up ponytail, but this product was kind of too watery for my hair, so I think it's just to curl your hair up. Ce produit là, c'était one of mon subscriber, comment on dit ça, elle m'avait demandé si je peux essayer ça. J'ai essayé ça pour faire mon chignon. C'est pas bien pour mes chignons. Somebody asked me what do I use as my slick up my ponytail. What do I use to slick my hair up? Quelqu'un m'avait demandé si j'utilise quoi quand je fais mes cheveux comme ça. I use Got To Be gel. I was going to use the black gel, but my hair curls up. Je voulais utiliser les gels là de noir, mais mes cheveux ça fait le curly. J'ai changé. Avant que je fasse tout ça, j'ai utilisé mon Got To Be gel spray. Le produit là c'est que j'ai utilisé pour spray. C'est tu as vu ça. Yeah, je vais faire sortir mes baby hair. I'm going to take out my baby hair because those are important. And I use my toothbrush to get myself together. Now, Got To Be gel is the best gel to use if you want to slick your hair up, down, backward, side to side. Listen, we're going to use every single bits of it, okay? I don't let my Got To Be gel just be thrown away like that. J'aime pas jeter ça seulement comme ça. Il faut que j'utilise tout. On va utiliser tout. Non, utiliser nyoso. And yeah, that's what I do. I'm going to just put it on my hair. I use a toothbrush to slick it back really nice because I learned that toothbrush, when you do this, it actually helps the flyaway to slick themselves down. Okay, quand je fais ça, ça m'aide pour que les cheveux qui aiment sortir là, ça dort aussi avec les autres. And now I'm going to use that wig cap and I'm going to use that as a hair tie. Oui, je vais faire ça avec mes cheveux. Alors, les autres parties, je ne vais pas vraiment parler en français parce que tu peux regarder toi-même, tu sais ce que je suis en train de faire. There are some parts I won't speak in French because you can just see it's self-explanatory. Oui, it's a workout, huh? Ça fait de mal. But now I'm gonna do my back side. I'm gonna spray my Got To Be gel before I gel it. And the spray works, but I like to make sure my ponytail is secure. And I'm gonna go back with the yellow Got To Be gel. And I like using the yellow a lot better because the consistency of it is beautiful. J'aime utiliser celui-là de jaune parce que ça fait du bon, hein? C'est bien que celui de noir. Ça travaille très bien. So I'm gonna go ahead and just tie it up. Tie it up. Hey, tie it up. I'm gonna tie it up for like 6 times. I think I did like 6 times. I like to keep my struggles in my videos because you just never you never know. Like, these things are not easy. So if you do this type of style, you are going to struggle, and I struggle too when I do it. So with short hair, it's even difficult because you have to make sure that it's slicked. J'aime laisser mes vidéos quand je fais comment dire ça, ce qu'on a babysit na tika on vidéo parce que je veux que vous aussi vous voyez que moi aussi j'avais le problème quand je faisais ce style ici. Tu vas aussi avoir le problème. Now with my Got To Be gel, I'm gonna go back in and spray it. Okay, this is key to my slick back. Okay, it's my Got To Be gel, the yellow gel and the spray. Okay, don't get the black one, get the yellow one. Okay, the yellow one is the G, mama. It's the best. So pour le Got To Be gel, il faut prendre celui de jaune. Okay, il faut pas prendre celui de noir. Achète celui de jaune parce que ceux qui sont mis au jaune, maman, yo mon au mitala, hein, ça va être joli. Et puis aussi, je vais utiliser mon brosse et je fais ça avec les autres. Je vais seulement faire ça pour que ça m'aide les mille la wana, hein? Mite les ma wana, il faut que ça dort. So I'm gonna do something that not everybody do. I mean, it's best if you have a hair dryer, little thing where you lay your head in the hair dryer or sit underneath the hair dryer. But I don't have a hair dryer, so I'm gonna use a hair blower. And I'm just gonna do this to my hair just to make sure that it lays down. I was talking to my sister. Je parle avec ma sœur. Ayogate. But I'm gonna just lay my hair, and this is what I use for my slick up ponytail with my kinky, twist hair. I'm gonna leave the link down below if you like it. I'm gonna use this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get that front part, and I'm gonna get that secure, and I'm gonna get the second part. I'm gonna get that secure as well. I used about 4. It was 2 packs, but they each had like 4 twists in them. And yeah, j'ai utilisé 2 pour Natizaki 4, mais le paquet ça vient avec 2 cheveux, donc paquet mon cause à 2 cheveux, t'as compris, d'accord. So now I'm just gonna get my hair and I'm just gonna twist it around, and I'm gonna twist it around. At some point I was like, this is a struggle, let me take this hair band or hair tie off, and voila, ça c'est moi comme ça quand je fais tout ça, hein? Kitoko makasi, hein, mama, so yeah, so what I do, I just twist it around, je prends ça, je fais ça. Si tu fais ça comme ça va vraiment aider. Si tu as les cheveux qui sont longs, ça va vraiment sortir bien. Ça va sortir très bien. If you have long hair, this will come out really beautiful. It's just the fact that my hair was short and I was trying to secure it from falling off. So with that being said, you guys know that I don't use bobby pins. So with my hair being short, I wanted to secure the wig, okay, to secure the ponytail. So I used bobby pins, okay. I broke my own rules and I decided to use bobby pins. And the rest of the video, you will see, it's like a repeated type of cycle. So yeah, I'll come back and talk some more. So with this, I found it very useful when I was doing this. Like, if you separate your hair and you like do the ponytail little, like one side and then the other side, and then you connect it all together, it makes your hairstyle a lot neater and it makes it a lot easier. Quand tu fais les deux là, quand tu as les cheveux qui sont, les cheveux, comment on dit ça, ce que ça n'a pas su qui m'est coussé au sali boye, aux 8 parties mi balai, aux 8 parties moko, après aux 8 parties partie mususu. Après ça, tu connectes ça, ça va te voir. Et ça, la soin, hein. Bino moko boye biken linga na loba bien te, français pe na loba bien te, maintenant c'est. So yeah. So I'm just gonna add the second pack to the hair and connect all that together. So what I did was I got that second pack and I connected it to my bun or my knot, whatever you want to call it. And this second part, what I did with that was I connected that to the back part of my hair and I attached it all together. Ça, le deuxième, ça, j'ai connecté tout ça avec celui-là, le chinois là, c'est que j'avais fait le deuxième. Na connecté nyonso. Na connecté nyonso. Toi-même tu regardes, ozomona, okay? Ozomona na sadi boy. Okay, sir, na sadi boy. So now I'm just gonna like hide the rest of that, and that's how the ponytail looks. It's really easy, to be honest. Especially if you have long hair, you don't have to do the two ponytail and then connect it all together. It's only if you have short hair. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Si tu aimes cette vidéo, faut pas oublier de laisser les commentaires, aimer ça, et puis montrer ça avec des amis. Share this video, guys, and follow me on social media. Envoie-moi les messages on social media, Facebook, whatever. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Your hair is soft. Higher. No. Like this.
Like that?
No, that's too. Make your hand straight. Straighten it. No. Your hand is too tense. Take it. Tilt it with your fingers. You hold it weird. I don't know what's wrong with your wrist, but like, I really just had to teach you to tilt the bottle. Oh, I got my head in there though. You already know how it. Oh, I look real light skin. My forehead big though. It's on 10. That's crazy. It's 4 fingers though. No more questions now. Let's enjoy the night, just you and I. Oh.